Good morning. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Good to see you, chat. Good to see you, community. How do you feel? How are you doing? Good morning, guys. Hey, great to see you. What's up? What's up, guys? How are you doing? Good evening. Well, we got some news in a couple of minutes. Unemployment claims. Wrap for the news in 3 minutes, guys. You gotta be careful, sitting at today's low, but at the same time, we're actually touching the weekly volume weighted average price here. Look at that for the Nasdaq 5 minutes. How do you feel today? Up 618 so far today for Mr. Neifert. You're on the good track, buddy. You are on the good track. Alright, so let's just go ahead and share the presentation with all the community members, as usually, on the whole planet. We are live. Good morning, good evening. Great to have you guys. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway. Like the video. Come on, guys. Let's bring up those numbers. Let's bring up those numbers. I'm going to start trading my YRM account, which is going to be day number 6 today. And we still have to do $1,700 for the payout. This is 150,000 instant funded. We got 6,300 profit. And we're looking forward capitalizing on that. That's right. That's right. Hope it worked out for you on the trading side. Good evening out there. Great to see you guys. Oh, we got another guy spreading FUD here. Good day, good morning. What about the unemployment claims, guys? We've been just simply taking that low. Good day, good morning. And I am wondering about the weekly opening, 24,789. Wondering. There is 1 minute to go. Make sure to like the video, guys, and join our Discord. If you want to participate in the giveaways, you have to be part of our Discord community. Subscribe to the channel. Good morning. 30 seconds to go, guys. First, we're going to trade this account, where I'm looking for making minimum $400 today. Minimum. Certainly happy days. We've got the unemployment claims coming out right now, so be careful, guys. On the sizing, be careful on anything. Look at that. Market spiking volatility. Not much behind it. Not much behind it. We just made a wick to the upside. We just made a wick to the upside. Wouldn't be bad to see a pump today. Wouldn't be bad. Testing out along here, guys. I'm testing out along here. We just grabbed the low. And I'm out. 445 bucks profit. 445 bucks profit. I'll take that all day long, guys. Enough is enough. I'm not gonna try to make more. I'm not gonna try to make more because I only have 2 more days of trading here, and we're taking the payout at $158,000. We need basically 1,200 more in 2 days. Look at that one, guys. That's the way to get started. I've been scalping that pretty well. And that's feeling great, guys. Feeling great. I know the liquidity takes the movement into the upside and then takes the movement down. You can just nicely scalp in between, right? That's what we did. Price action 101. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day, YRM. Massive promotions out there. Massive promotions. We're trading instant funded of 150,000, but their challenges are extremely cheap and instant funded too. Good luck on that. So, we didn't touch the weekly opening 789. And I would be careful with that. Yeah, you guys need to know that we have a challenge that I accepted yesterday with this account. We have $182,000. I posted about it. Yesterday we made daily net PNL. Yesterday 32,453. So we have 20% consistency. This was the first day on the funded stage. It's an instant funded account. 20% consistency with 32,453. Do it times 5. We're gonna trade that today too. Hey, that's right. Good to see you guys. Good to have you on board. So happy about it. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. First trade, 445 bucks in a matter of a few seconds. I don't have a daily loss limit. No daily drawdown or loss limit. No. They have basically for 50% of your profits at the withdrawal time needs to come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. 50% of your profits. 50. The drawdown is locked. Exactly. The drawdown is not moving anymore. The drawdown is on my initial balance. It's a static drawdown. It is located on the initial balance plus $100. So it's $32,000 away. My max loss. 32 grand of buffer. That's much. That's what we've got. Yet I'm still trying to trade this account, which is 152 right now first, and then I'll leave the big one at the end. Plus, we have to trade Lucid accounts today, guys. I mean, Lucid Flex accounts. You know, we've got 5 accounts where we are halfway through the target. So we have 4,500 out of 5. And we're going to trade those ones too. We're sitting in a very interesting situation here. We got supported and we were bouncing from the 200 EMA, but then suddenly we got rejected and got stuck onto that. Yet right now you have the weekly VWAP support appearing, 811. Right, so we do have some credentials here that are clearly performing. Weekly has been good with us. Daily is far away, around 926, so there is basically 7 to 6 points space and room between the VWAPs of the day and of the week. Quite of a difference here from the opening and the way we've been bouncing. Usually when we see this pattern where they are just continuously grabbing the low and then reacting with a wick, look at that, Grabbing the low, reacting with a wick. Grabbing another low here and reacting with a wick. That's a very nice way basically to hitting stop losses out. Very nice way. So clearly the market here is orchestrating the necessity to gain some nice liquidity. Yeah. Now look at the aggressive move we have, guys, from the unemployment. What's the number? Let me refresh. 206. Way lower than expected on 223, guys. Way lower than expected. Which stands for the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. We've got tomorrow the advanced GDP, PCE as well, and some manufacturing and services PMI. It's going to be a heavy day tomorrow. Heavy. It's a very powerful 15-minute situation we're trading here. Good morning. Great to have you on board, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord if you want to be part of the giveaways. Got into a little short here. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, guys. Amazing, amazing day. Everything's running smooth and fine on my side. And I'm just enjoying the good trades and a lovely community. Good times we are having here, guys. Good times. I've been putting some limit orders to increase my exposure. If we are taking the high, look at that. Would have been nice to catch an exit at that level. I don't want to see continuation here. I gotta go stop loss break even, guys. And I'll do it at the top of the current candle. I'm gonna trail. Come on. Lovely. Lovely, guys. This is trading 101. Come on, hit that. Lovely once again. Let's go for the third target. No more limit orders at the top needed. Beautiful, $507 secured so far. Look at the exit we had. Absolutely great. 596 secured here. I'll take that all day long, guys. Thank you so much. 596 profit there. Oh, that was so good, guys. That was so good. That was so good. Thank you. 596. I'm out of this. I don't want to trade this anymore today. So we have an account we traded 455. It's day number 6. And then this one we traded now 596. This one is day number, let me see that. This one is day number 4. Right? So that's pretty good, guys. I mean, look at that. We're halfway through. 8 days and we're ready to go for the payout. Think about it. Yep. So I'm gonna lock out. Daily lockout. No more trading here. The other one, daily lockout too. Locked myself out of 2 accounts. And the only one that remained is the one we made yesterday, 30 grand. So, the huge, massive target out here. 30 grand made yesterday. Let's see how much money we can do today. You gotta switch from micros into minis. We're gonna switch into minis for this one. Yep. And we're gonna trade with 7 minis. Yes, exactly. From the trading view purple setup. We do the technicals here and the price action on the 1 minute. For me, it is sufficient to spot weakness, to spot momentum that I attach basically to the technicals we have onboarded here. We've got the green line, which used to act as an algo, and it worked. It comes out for the dynamic swing entered volume at average price. It's this indicator. I'm sending you guys the link for the indicator. Thank you so much, Fred. There you go. So that's the indicator, which has a significant importance. And then here we have the swing period on 50, adaptive price tracking on 20, and then volatility bias on 10, right? That's what you got it suited for the inputs. And you're good to go with it, guys. Watching this one closely. We've been making money from a long and then making money from a short. I'm still watching this one. We gotta do some nice money here. We have 32,000 bucks there. Look at the max loss, guys. 32,453. Oh, but we have a daily drawdown. I've completely forgot about it. Yeah, we have a daily loss of 4,500. I think that's good, right? We have a daily loss of 4,500. %20 consistency. Things could actually bounce around the 40s. So I'll take 7 minis. The max loss is static. The max loss is 32 grand away. It's static. It's not trailing. The drawdown is not trailing. It's static. But the daily loss is there. Daily loss always refers for the day, for each day. The maximum loss is static. 32k times 5. I need 150,000. 7 minis long, guys. 7 minis long. Let's go. Time to print some money. Wouldn't be bad to hit that level. You know, I'll have to try to do daily around between $5,000 to $10,000 probably daily, right? You guys love the entry, stop loss and break even. Look at that. I've been trading the red line. Sorry, the yellow line, not the red line, the yellow line. This is a previous demand. Delivering lovely numbers, so the entry is perfect, guys. Perfect entry. Stop loss and break even. Leave it for a full runner. Let's go for a full runner. Feel like the daily loss limit 4,500 kind of protects me from not losing 10-15 grand in a day. Right? Think about it. I mean, even with 20 or 30 grand, by oversizing, you can easily lose the account, especially with the New York session. So that 4,500 bucks daily loss limit is making the whole job of losing the account. That's 30 grand in buffer. Like, how many daily loss limits do I need? Like 7? Yeah, 7 daily loss limits without having profits. 7 in a row. You know, I could accept 2 grand here profit, but I need to do another 100. Like, I would need 50 days of 2 grand. Feel like I want to make more than this. Yeah, the daily loss limit is a very good thing. Otherwise, I think if I would have had a bad day with this huge account, I would lose 15 grand, for example. And that's equal of 4 daily loss limits. Much better with a daily loss limit in this case scenario. Much better. Bring it up, guys. Come on, rip it. Take profit. Purple line says. Purple line 200 EMA 928 and a daily VWAP sitting there. That's a lovely spot. Yeah. We can nicely get rejected stronger. So 920s for the take profit. What does it mean to take profit on 920s? It means $11,000. And that's perfect, guys. $11,000 for the take profit. Good morning. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Volume weighted average price is the VWAP. We gotta open up Quant Tower and see what we can do there. Hopefully this is not a lower high. And hopefully they do not tend to revisit my great entry here. This is a massive challenge that we've got here on the performance side. It's an instant funding account. Don't forget to join our Discord community. For those of you that are not members, you gotta be there. Dennis, 50% of your profits needs to come from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. 50% of your profits. Right, so if you're cashing out at 9,000 profit, 4,500 minimum, 4,500 needs to be made from trades you held minimum 10 seconds. Right, it's very comfortable. Price action looks great here for the moment, but we need a strong impulse. Right, so I need a flat opening starting in 9 minutes, in 8 minutes. For the hourly, the flat opening, I need continuous pump till the New York session. Not giving up a penny, guys. Not giving up a penny. We're going to trade our Lucid account soon. We got a bunch of them that are looking great. Not going to back up from this very interesting moment. Let's go, guys. Come on. $4,000 profit. Happy about that one for sure. Close to 5,000. We gotta clear 880s. We gotta clear that. On my first payout. My first payout was a few months ago with them. Now there is a different verification process which takes a little bit longer. It's a manual review. I need more than 5,000 daily. I'm gonna leave this one open for a nice runner. Right now, things are verified manually since 1st of February. Until the automated system is back, updated and functional again at the fullest scale. Yeah, this is Instant Prime 150,000 exactly. Which is heavily discounted, by the way, guys. Heavily discounted with my code. Instead of 540 and 40%, I've negotiated at 50%. So that's an additional 10% from the original price. And that's $900. So it's $90 extra discount, which makes the account at $450. Maximum 3 funded. $450. $6,000 drawdown. You can get that with a scramble coupon code, pretty much maximum discount. But I'm trying to see. This is the funded account, guys. We traded yesterday. 6,288. Lucid Flex funded account. First day of trading. 6,288. No consistency and target. The approval takes a little bit longer. And then the payout is happening in a few days. But I've heard from Moe, which is their CEO, that things will resume back to a perfect functionality with an early March, right? So their automated system is going to be back in function like it always was, as early as March. So I can request a payout. Well, Where's the account? I need minimum 5 days of trading. If I do 250 here, the minimum I need to do is 250. Right? 250, 250, 250, Saturday, Sunday, right? But let's just put it that way. 4 more days of 250, I'll have 7 grand. I'll be able to take maximum payout. And guess what? I can do 250 next week, just 250 daily, and I'll still be able to take huge payout because of this one single day. So that's the power of the Lucid Flex accounts, because they have no consistency and no target on the funded stage. Manual verification right now, Ashra. The fast payouts will resume as they were early March on very, very fast payouts. In the meantime, until the system is going to be fully upgraded, their automated system is going to remain on the manual approval. Manual approval, as you guys see it, is taking a little more. Lucid Flex is much better. I made a video. And then, yes, 50% of my profit from the balance. What's happening here, guys, with that retracement? Wouldn't be bad to bounce here on the 55. Would not be bad. Look at that. We got rejected again from the green line. The algo is functioning perfectly. Would not be bad to bounce here, because otherwise my good entry is in danger. My good and lovely entry is in danger. I need, yeah, Flex is much better. Not comparable. No consistency and target, I mean. So... we've got the hourly flat opening in 30 seconds. There's going to be some volatility here. I am not too happy about the price action in the past couple of minutes. You know, I got my break even, but I don't want to lose this entry, right? Because we can very easily do this, guys. Very easily do this, right? And then I lose my entry. Very easily do that, and then I lose my entry. That's why I'm questioning the trailing put out. Yeah, I do prefer deep chart. Yes, yes. I think it's much better. The drag and drop services you have with the stop loss directly drag and drop, with the take profit directly, very simply. Copy trading integrated here, and on top of that, you have basically daily lockout function. You have your edit risk with the daily loss, daily profit limits. So all these things are very, very valuable. Certainly prefer the deep chart. Yeah, drag and drop is great. And the way you can move your charting nicely up and down, you can adjust your sizing, you can adjust basically the way the whole procedure looks. It's just that having all the pieces, guys, including the trade copier integrated right there. Trade copier. I think that's good as well. ATS. I think it's good. I'm not quite friendly with that one, because I got all I need and I got used to this one, so have not been really. We're waiting here for Quant Tower too with a limit order, but it does not look like to be touched. This is on the account that's funded. It's going to be second day. Lucid Flex funded second day here. I'm going to take this one, this limit order away, and I'm going to try to see how we can actually make some, make an interesting move. Thank you so much, guys, for joining and for watching. Make sure to like the video. Thank you. There's about 27 minutes to go. We've made 32 grand yesterday. Look at that. I'll take my stop loss away for the moment, guys, from the YRM, because I'm afraid the market is going to bounce there. And I'm going to lose my privileged entry point. There you go. Haven't checked that one. 12 AC. You can't post anything anymore. I don't know. I don't know about it. I'll have to verify. I'll verify later today. No idea. We got moderators. I'm gonna verify. You should be fine, but two contracts have been filled. Look at this one, guys. It came below my entry for the YRM. And like I said, I'm a little bit concerned that this could be a place of bouncing. So I just deleted my stop loss. Yeah. Waiting for the bouncing. We don't need that much of a profit, guys. You know, I've set $250. So I'm gonna dump a contract there. Another one here. And a third one over there. Quite simple. Come on, guys, make sure to like the video to be able to be part of the giveaways. There's 100 people that are watching without the likes. We're not going to do the giveaways this way. Right, so you got to be part of our Discord. Like the video, be subscribed. Very simple rules. Lovely, a contract has been sold. I'm break even right now. We basically sold 2 contracts and I'm leaving the rest of it open. Lovely, guys, lovely. We have 155 secured. Touch the break even on that. We've grabbed another long as soon as the market's just made a new low here. Single contract. We just DCA'd 2 contracts, guys. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad to hit that 24,900. Wouldn't be bad. Yeah, my trade on YRM is still running. We're down $1,000 here. You know, I'm quite limited with that 4,500 daily loss limit. I'm quite limited with that one. You see, the big sizing is difficult to be produced if you're dot tight. To make 15-20 grand, you always need quite a few trades that are running in your direction from the beginning, right? Lovely entry here. Yeah, Futures Desk is an interesting company. Not trading them. I've talked with their CEO at some point. And probably at some point we're going to introduce the company. But not for the moment. It's kind of complicated and hard to get to the payout there, guys. It's kind of complicated. You know, it's nice to trade on your customized way. But there's so many challenges. There's a lot of the things happening there for you to be able to get paid. It's a long journey. It's not this kind of model that we're having here with the Lucid or YRM or tap on futures or Savius where you hit your target, you get paid. It's a lot easier, way more smoothed. You know, those guys have a bunch of things that are different. Exactly, Matt. That's right. I was thinking about it. I was up 5 grand. If I would have secured that, then I would have had a 10,000 bucks basically for the daily, and that's much better. So if I take some partial profits at the beginning and increase that margin for the daily loss, I would be ready basically for the New York session to pretty much have more space of risking, maybe going for a day of 20 profit or so, 25 profit on 7 minis. It's 140 bucks per point. $10,000. If we divide 10,000 to 140 bucks per point, we need 71 points on 7 minis. 71 points. Obviously, that's possible on a New York session, but I need more cushion out there for, yeah. Lovely trade here, guys. Not gonna exit. Yes, yes, yes. It's gonna improve from early March. Will again be automated, AD. It's on manual right now. Good day, good morning, blessings out there. Look at that. Lorenzo. Puerto Rico. Exactly, but there is a tremendous journey to reach that, Dennis. Tremendous journey. Like 99% of the people do not touch that level constantly. 99% of the people will not touch that level. It's very hard. I mean, you first have to be able to make money on Lucid Flex, no consistency, no target. A lot easier than think about other stuff. A lot easier. Right? So you have to work your way into making money with the no consistency and target on the Lucid Flex product, guys. By the way, they're running 40% off for the first 5 purchases. Yes. Now it's manually, and then it's going to become automated again early March. That's what I've been told. You guys like the entry here? 2 minis. Not selling anything for the moment. Let's look at the YRM is in profit again. Hopefully at this time, we're at 1,000 bucks in profit here on 7 minis. Hopefully at this time, we will find acceptance above the green line. That's what brings me nightmares. What do you guys think about the opening? 920s for the opening. Daily VWAP. 200 EMA here. Slightly above you have the daily opening, 940s. If I leave my YRM trade for the 920s, I'll have about 10 grand profit. I think that's juicy, guys. $770 is a juicy level. 770 is a juicy level there to bid. Yeah. Respecting the same pattern. Grab the wick, grab the previous wick, and then bounce. Right? That has been intact for the past couple of hours. And they might repeat a procedure on the opening or simply front run the idea and pattern and just smash through the top. Look at that. 1,500 here, sitting pretty comfortably. 2,000 already. And then on the other side is 800. Probably I'm going to sell a contract here because I want to secure my daily target, which is minimum 250. Yep, I sold the target. We have 565 secured. Realized profit. And then I'll put a stop loss and break even for the rest of it. leaving this one contract open, guys. That's lovely. This is the second day for the funded stage of a Lucid Flex 150,000. And I would need 3 more days of 250 and I'll take max payout. So I'm feeling great about it. Feeling great about it. You see what's interesting with the prop firms, and if you're running in 2 or 3 prop firms, you can have a great time by collecting your days is one of the most important things at the beginning, I would say, right? So bringing your 40, 50, 60% of the process of number of days needed. If you're required to do 8 days for the instant funded, which is kind of the norm for the Lucid as well, or for the YRM instant funded, I'd suggest you to have, you know, 3-4 days without really aggressively going and pushing. Try to build your confidence, build your rhythm, your position, right? And get closer and closer, basically, especially even from the timing standpoint. Maybe financially, not that much, maybe not forcing it, but slowly collecting and adding those profitable days. Plus, on top of that, to be able to collect something, sleep on it, is very important for the trader's mindset, guys. Making money, sleeping on that one, having another good day, accepting the good profit, maybe not the best, maybe not something that's hitting your target, but still a profit. You know, repeating this procedure is helping you. So at some point you realize that you've got 2, 3, 4 accounts in different firms that are needing 3, 4 more days of payout. It's different, guys. It's different. It's a great feeling. Not gonna go crazy unless the market wants to deliver that. So even the number of days to be collected should be one of your targets too, guys. Not just about a dollar side. Lovely, lovely rejection from the bulls. We could have some energy. We've got 10 minutes for the New York session opening. I would love to see a nice push on the opening. We're very well positioned on both sides. Look at that. 2,200 here. I want to be as far away as possible at the opening, because I'm expecting some volatility, and if the movement is to the top side, I don't want to get wiped out by a wick, right? Look at that. Lovely move, guys. Lovely move, 3,500. 10 minutes into the business. YRM Trade-Of-8 Access. Estimated time. They are speaking with Trade-Of-8. They're speaking with Ninja. So they are already in good collaboration and good contact. Yeah. Ninja and Trade-Of-8. They're discussing quite closely and setting up the whole thing, Fred. Yep. Prop firms will get terrified once I start singing. I've not been chickening out of this at 840s when we were downtrending. Look at that. I've told you guys, remember, I'm gonna take my stop loss away, because from here we could just retest this level and then come back. My stop loss was set on break even. If I would have left that one there, at this point, I would have zero money, right? When your stop losses are set at a specific level, that's a place of possible bouncing, of possible another rejection, and that's kind of in your favor. For you to exit at that level might not be the best idea. re-entry. You get a chance of re-entry if your New York session brings some retests below 800. Right. Good day, good morning everyone. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, otherwise we cannot do the giveaways. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Lovely money made here on this funded account of Lucid Flex 150,000. Lovely money. We have quite a couple that are in the challenge phase and I have to start trading them soon. But I am watching this one closely. Haven't sold anything yet here. We're touching the green line again. Look at that one, guys. Look at this one once again, guys. So tell me, respond to this question. Is trading that simple? You see a line representing supply and you short it. That green line, it's clear supply. The algos are set up to react. Is trading that simple? You just see a line and you start reacting based on the nature of the line? Or it's a little more complex? Because I'm expecting basically from that line to step away. We got the 5-minute algo appearing in 2 minutes. I don't want to believe trading is that easy. You pretty much short every supply and then buy every demand. What's my strategy type, Scrambo? I'm a momentum trader. So I'm scalping and I have a lot to say over there. Make sure to watch my live streams and sit right here with us daily. You're going to understand our rhythm, our way of trading, which is kind of unique from what people say. But it has been very profitable. EMA. The EMA is not the green line. The EMA is the purple line. A little higher, 923. This one. Purple line, EMA. The green line basically is dynamic swing and short value at average price from Zierman. That's a very important indicator I'm using. Yeah, a single contract, 1 mini, $800. We already secured 565 here. New Jersey, great to see you. How you doing? Well, we're banking big profits here. 565 secured, realized, plus 755 unrealized. This is a Lucid Flex funded of 150,000 second day. And on the other side, simplistic videos, we have for the YRM, we have 4,000 bucks profit. The account where we made yesterday 30 grand. So I'm a little bit squeezed by the consistency, that being said, but I'm going for it, guys. Would love that 920s, would love it. Yeah, this is quite difficult here. We got the algo. Let me share with you. Look at that. So a daily opening into our purple line, 922. Boom. And then we might just come back and take the liquidity from below the structure. That would be lovely, guys. 920 on the daily opening for the Nasdaq, for the New York session, I mean, not daily opening, New York session opening 920 and then back below. That's going to be something very interesting, I would say. Three minutes to go and the market opens. Good day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. I would have loved to earn that 32 grand on Lucid Flex. I would have loved to do it, honestly. I would have been able to milk 30,000 bucks from a single account by only earning the minimum. That's a big drop here. I don't like it, guys. A big drop. We almost came back once again to my entry. Look at that ridiculous red line is incredible how trading functions. You see the supply, you short it. You see the support, you long it. We don't have breakouts yet. And it's already below my entry point. What about here? Yeah, we've got stopped out on trailing, 572 profit. We're going to celebrate that, guys. 572 on profit. Because we've hit our target here. This is going to be quite interesting. There is 2 minutes to go. And look at that. Look at that chart, guys. Not too attractive to be in a long here. Not too attractive. Not too attractive, guys. I'm gonna sell for the YRM. Right, I'm gonna sell something here. I sold it all. I think I'll have an opportunity to buy cheaper, that's why. I gave it a chance for the market to run aggressively to the upside. We were 2 times 4,500 in profit. 2 times. Here. Giveaway later when I finish. Yeah, simplistic videos. You can think about 5 accounts and 50,000. A great idea. I would allocate about 5 days to pass the evaluation. I would not hurry up. 5 days to pass the evaluation, which means about 500 to 600 bucks a day. 5 seconds the market opens. $500 a day target. I think that's lovely. There you go with the opening bell. We touched a weekly VWAP. Let's not forget the weekly VWAP is 812. It's sitting there, 812. Let's not forget about it. Got it a little long here. I'm out. We made 220 bucks. There's so much money needed to be made here. There's so much money needed to be made here. Got it along here. Could get that juicy continuation, got into the same long basically for Quant Tower. 2 challenge accounts. Lucid Flex 2 challenge accounts. I'm hunting 4,500 on both. I'm copy trading. Pretty undecided for the moment, guys. Careful, do not get wiped out here because of the volatility. Yeah, it's not even that much. It's not even that much. It's incredible how the green line has been successfully delivering so much rejection in the past couple of hours. It's incredible, guys. Look at that. Incredible. Of DC8 5 minis we've got here. My daily loss is 4,500. Clearly, we have not been receiving acceptance above 58. A big no-no. I've DC'd once again into this one. And I'm doing the same thing on Quant Tower. Yeah. We're going to get pressure down. From what it looks like. And there you go. We got subbed out with a daily loss. And we managed to break down. Yeah, Scramble code gives you the same discount, basically. It's always attached to the maximum discount on any campaign. Market breaking below. We got subbed out on both places. Quant Tower and YRM. This is the daily loss, right? And it's a daily lockout. Might hit the 600. Maybe our first time user or something like that. What do you guys think about this entry on the funded account? Stop loss break even. This is the funded account. This is the Lucid Flex funded account, the only funded account we have. 5 minis entry on the wick. 5 minis entry on the wick, guys. Lucid Flex funded account. The one we made yesterday, 6,000. And look at that, what we're producing today. Let's go. Come on, guys. This is valuable money. If we are taking this one up to 920s, this is valuable money, right? The Lucid Flex is valuable because it's funded. Keep it running, guys. 5 minis. We're stop loss break even. Weekly opening 789. If we get a reversal point from here, guys, that's gonna be juicy. 920 for my target here. It's cooked. Of course, trade of it is cooked. Look at that one, guys. Trade YRM, deep charts, volumetrica, trade Quant Tower with Lucid. Forget about trade of it, guys. It has been cooked in the past 3 weeks quite a few times. Lovely, lovely trade here. Lovely. We just need the momentum. This is a funded account. I want to see the momentum. I want to copy what we made yesterday, 30 grand on the YRM. We want to do that here. Let's see if we can do it. We are bouncing from the weekly opening. 789. We certainly need it. Right, so the next 5-minute candlestick, if not this one, should be green, guys. The next 5 minute should be green. We need that, otherwise it's cooked. Otherwise it's cooked, guys. 830s for the resistance. Has been confirmed earlier, just 2 minutes ago. The only way we can get through that 830 is if we're just going to have a strong momentum taking us 870s, 890s right away. Right, so in a blink of an eye. That's the kind of movement we need. A move that happens before you even realize it happened. We've got 590, which is above my target secured, guys. I like to hit big here if it works. Oh my gosh. We have such a good entry. And we didn't have a good runner. Such a good entry, guys, and we didn't have a good runner. We had good trading happening today, but we're not taking profits. Because I've been expecting... Let's see. Let's see if that, you know, 7. Ho, ho, ho. This is quite interesting, guys, we got here, this pump. I'm just 2 contracts long. Not more. 2 contracts. Earlier we were 5 minis. Adding 1 more to this, 3 contracts. Stop loss and break even. 3 minis long from there. And the stop loss and break even. This is exactly what we should have been going through earlier. You see, again, I had to break even on my entry. It wiped me out, and then it's running. How many times does the market comes back to this great entry spots? Have you been guys experiencing how many times the market comes back to the good entries before it is allowed to follow the momentum? Look at that. Come on. Lovely money, guys. Lovely money. I'm still holding it. This is the way it looks like on this side. We just touched the... We just touched the trailing, guys. Again. They came all the way back to touch that trailing. It's insane, right? Are they seeking for that yesterday's low, 700? It's just nuts, guys, with this 5-minute candle. We had this 1-minute candle we had here is just nuts. Are we going to get the third 5-minute candle here with rejection, or finally we're just going to break below? What do you guys think about? Yes, Lucid Flex account is simulation phase, exactly, challenge phase. And then if you are making it, you know, you got to make it funded. The one I've been trading is not a simulation. The one I've been trading is funded. Wow, look at that. The third candlestick, guys, refusing to break down. The third candlestick of 5-minute. The one I was trading on Lucid Flex was funded. Yeah, exactly. Funded is still simulation too. Yeah, 100%. It's like a virtual game. Exactly. I only have a single funded and I have a bunch of evaluations that I'm planning to bring them funded. Hopefully my plan is gonna work. Very interesting level, guys, we have here. Very interesting. Third protection that came in on 5 minutes. The candle is about to close, and we're gonna have a decision. Crazy candlestick, guys. Crazy. How they brought it here without taking today's lower, bringing the whole thing below, right? They brought for the third time in a row, nicely all the way back below 780s, and now it's recovering back to the top side. It's crazy. So artificial here. So artificial. You have to sign up in today's form. The link is there. If you're not on today's form, you cannot participate. How do I trade on Lucid? I'm trading Lucid Rhythmic Connection on Quant Tower. You're welcome. Why are you asking when is the giveaway? Why are you asking? That's right. If I may know the purpose of the question for the time of the giveaway, then I can respond. Oh, you also need to make money. And how can I help you? How does the time of the giveaway helps you to make money? Garcia, take a break. Before you are going to blow up, take a break. You want to take a break quickly before you blow up, because this is dirty. Dirty price action. The algo is there, guys, on the green line. So intense. Weekly opening 789. Rejecting back and forth. The algo on the green line too. The AI trading is here. 12 AC. That green line there is wired to Wall Street. Is wired to Wall Street. Well, you want to learn price action for sure, Eric. Thank you. You want to learn price action. You want to understand the language of the markets that's being communicated through the candles. You will understand when there is a message being delivered to you through the candles. That's the first thing I would tell you. Right? So that's priority. I got years on the candlesticks. I have years. So you have to do that. We got to focus on important things. We got to focus on important things. So you want to focus on price action. And make sure you unencrypt the language of the market through the behavior of the candlesticks. That's one thing. Very important if you want to become a scalper. The other things, you want to attach this knowledge to meaningful points of the market where you can or you could have reactions and trade those reactions at meaningful points. For scalping, you need, look at that lovely movement, the volume and the strength coming from the algos. You need basically the market makers to be with you for that couple of points needed to be collected, right? So certainly having daily, weekly, opening, monthly, yearly, VWAPs, EMAs, today's low, yesterday low, weekly high, weekly low, whatever. We got a ton of them. We got a ton of them here, for example. Look at that. Last week's high, last week's month, last year, whatever, all these things, right? They're all meaningful points, which scalping works quite nicely. Daily volume and average price 879 rejects, guys, initially. Well, we're doing the giveaways in a couple of minutes. Exactly. You have to solve that easy problem with the AI. You just copy paste that into the AI and you get the answer. Like the video, guys, for the giveaway. Come on, like the video, be subscribed. Come on. Let's just pick up the numbers. Oh my gosh. This is exactly the movement I've been waiting for. Look at that. This is exactly the movement I needed. And it has not been given. Idea was great. Timing had some slippage. Right. Purple line. 200 EMA. The algos are there. No other fees. No other fees with Lucid. Straight up trading. Just straight up trading. And printing. Here's a Discord link. You gotta be signed up on the Discord to be able to participate in the giveaways. Got in a quick short, guys. 3 evaluation accounts, 150,000 for Lucid Flex. Got in a quick short here, guys. 10 minis short from the top. 10 minis short from the top. I'm exiting half of it. I'm fully out for the moment. 3,880 bucks on 3 accounts. We need $700 more. 3,880 on 3 accounts. Whew. That's lovely. Celebration time. Celebration time. Very important. Very important day here. I want to get back to having 5 Lucid Flex funded. And then relax. And go with one of the accounts on a 20-30 grand day. I want to do that, guys. So let me see how can I do another 700 bucks here. $700 is what we need. Look at a massive rejection we got. It's that purple line. The algos are perfectly adjusted to our chart, guys. Perfectly. I don't know how bullish is this. But I'm not that convinced. EMA, 200 EMA. 200 EMA for the 5-minute chart. Giveaway starts in a few minutes, guys. You want to certainly prepare for it. Right, so like the video, be subscribed. Come on. Testing out a little short here. Wow, what a buying pressure, guys. Look at that. Aggressively stepping in and sending it like that. What an aggressive pressure. I'm out for the moment completely. I'm out for my short. I've DC'd at the top, brought my average entry higher, and then I completely sold, lost $100. I didn't like that strong candle momentum we have. No, I'm not. Quantower works fine here. Are we having sufficient strength, guys, for the upside here? That 920s is going to be a nightmare. I don't know. Not yet convinced, because just a little higher we have the daily opening, 943. Right, so that's a very attractive point. I want to make an extra. I don't know if I want to force it today here. Feeling good about the profits made. Feeling good about the profits made. So I don't know if I want to force it. Maybe daily opening 943. 943, I'm coming. Daily opening. We've shorted the daily opening. We just shorted the daily opening. Let's see if we get something out of it. Or are they gonna capable holding around? Not expecting anything wild, but maybe 15 points from here down, and then possibly back up. I'm out. Lovely. We made some money. About 250 bucks, something like that. 938 first profit is good for you. I think I'm gonna stop here, guys. 3,767 on 3 accounts. That's great. I think I'm gonna stop here. And we'll continue tomorrow with it. Look at that. It's a big mess here. So we're gonna get ready for the giveaways right now. We need the wheel. We're having 2 giveaways today. We need the ducks. The wheel and the ducks. There you go. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Time for the wheel. Time to celebrate. Time to have a good time. We need a wheel today. 2 giveaways today. Lucid is offline on their dashboard for me, so I can't grab coupons from Lucid, which is why we're paused. But it's gonna resume early next week, and we're redoing giveaways for Lucid early next week. In the meantime, we do tap on futures and YRM. Right, so first giveaway, listen up, guys. First giveaway, 25k Ignite account instant funded. For the first giveaway, Ignite account instant funded. That's the first giveaway. Tap on futures. Tap on futures. Before we get started, here's the link to sign up. You want to sign up? You want to sign up? You want to do some practicing there, yeah. Like the video, guys. Like the video. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. Streaming from Monday to Friday. So let me watch out. So we are sitting out here. 230 people. 175 likes. We are short with 50 likes between the viewers and people acting, which means we're not going to do the giveaways for the moment. Right? Minimum target 200 likes. Minimum target 200 likes. Couple of minutes to achieve that. Otherwise, we're gonna postpone. Let's see. Minimal participation is needed. Minimal participation. We got a policy. It has to be respected. Great. So we have nicely achieved. Lovely. What we got to do is listen up. Listen up for the ratios. Listen up for the ratios. From 0 to 5. That's it. Each number appears once. Guess the number. Only a single guess. From 0 to 5, each number appears once. Good luck, everyone. Best of luck there. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Best of luck there. Scramble coupon code for the highest discounts. Thank you so much. Appreciated for using it, guys. We are out here having a great time. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more. It's over. Shuffle. And we're good to go. We are good to go. So it's not going to be 2, 1, 5, 0. They're not going to be... Could be the number 4, guys. Could be the number 4, I'm telling you honestly. Could be, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I think it's going to be the number 4, actually. Look at that. Congratulations for the winners. We got you with a number 4. Congratulations. Time for the duck race. $25 winners. Oh my gosh. 25 winners. 30 seconds competition time. Start. We used to be 60, 70 usually. But the times have changed, and the opportunity is there. Congratulations. $25,000 instant funded Ignite account from Ticktick. Mala K. Shans. Congratulations, Mala. Look at that one. Congratulations. Hopefully you filled up the form, Mala. We're verifying right now, Mala, that you filled up the form. Yes. Congratulations. Good job out there, Mala. $25,000 instant funding account. Tap on Futures Ignite. Goes out to you. Winners, reach out to me on Discord, and you want to wait for my response. You don't have to reply, message me 200 times or every 5 minutes, because that's not going to be welcome, right? So take it slowly. Continuing with the next giveaway, which will be epic. We're going to do YRM right now. We're probably going to do it next week. Anniversary party next week. I'm waiting for Lucid to resume their business with my side and on the affiliates. Next week we're gonna have anniversary party. We're gonna have 1 year of streaming next week. I'll announce that. I'll let you know, guys, when. 1 year of streaming. We're gonna do massive giveaways, massive ones, right? Oh, those big fat accounts where you can make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on top of thousands, right? So right now, 50K YRM. So listen up for the ratios. Listen up for the ratios, guys. Listen up. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. So 3 zeros. 3 number 1. 5 number 5. And 7 number 7. You have to wait. And now you can start. Let me know your number. Right now. Let me know. Three zeros, 3 number 1, 5 number 5, 7 number 7. Three zeros, 3 1, 5 number 5, and 7 number 7. Best of luck, guys. I have a new idea. I was thinking about, what if I put, instead of a number, an additional row on the wheel, which is gonna say tomorrow, and that means no one wins. I'll put a stop right there. And the giveaway account is going to be shared tomorrow, on top of the tomorrow's schedule, right? On top of that, right? So we're going to have more tomorrow, if that tomorrow comes out. You know, I could have something like this here. Tomorrow. If tomorrow hits, this giveaway, this account is going to be shared tomorrow, on top of the one that's scheduled tomorrow. Are you guys down to that? Look at that. Are you guys down to that? 5,000 giveaway. Is that virtual money, 12AC? Virtual money, right? So what about? Are you guys having the balls to accept that? And as I said, this account is going to be shared tomorrow on top of the tomorrow's scheduled, which means tomorrow we do 2 YRM accounts, right? Because we've got one scheduled for tomorrow and then today's one if tomorrow hits. Tell me, guys, do you have the balls to accept this? I think you should have, because we're going to do it. On which color should I leave tomorrow? Which color? Should I leave it on red? Let me shuffle. There you go. It's on red. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, everyone. Oh. I'm checking right now, Badger. I'm checking right now. Verifying right now. We're getting close to tomorrow, guys. We're getting close to tomorrow. But I don't think we have the strength to reach that. It's not going to be tomorrow. Could be the number 1. Oh, it looks like we didn't get a start command for the second round. Wait. Did we had a start command? No, we didn't had. We have to redo this, guys. We have to redo this. I'm sorry. We have to redo this because we didn't have a start command in the chat. We have to redo this. We have to redo this. I'm sorry. We did not have a start command in the chat. I'm sorry, guys. We have to redo this. We didn't have a start command in the chat. We have to redo this. We have to redo this. We didn't have a start command. You have to wait, guys. I'm breaking my door with my hat. Listen up, guys. You only write when you see the start command in the chat. You want to see it with your eyes, not just hear it. See it. You can start right now. Remember your numbers and we go again. You see the start command in the chat. Right now we have started. Come on. Oh my god. That one guy that is gonna get a timeout. There's one guy which comment. You can switch numbers, not an issue. That one guy that comments start received a timeout. So he can relax and just take a sit back, have some sun, have a nice drink, get some praying going on. Stop right there. You can't guess tomorrow. No, no. You can't guess tomorrow. Stop right there. No more guesses. Let's go for the shuffle. We're going to leave tomorrow on green. And leave it like that. Best of luck, everyone. Let's see if we hit that tomorrow. We're not going to hit tomorrow. Could be that number 5 on blue. Watch that number 5 on blue, guys. Watch that one, because I got the paddle here below the desk. The paddle is here below the desk and is controlling. I've been telling you number 5 for 10 seconds already. I told you it's rigged. Congratulations. I said it, 5. We had 5 number 5. We had 5 number 5, guys. Oh my gosh. You should have kept your paddle. You should have kept your paddle, guys. Time to see the winners. We have 53. With Anton at the top. 53. 52 actually. 52 or 53? Let me see that. 53. Yeah, that's a 1 minute competition time for you. 1 minute, guys. Shuffle. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, everyone. Oh, great. You've removed a guy. Great. So he got the number. Great. Thank you, Badger, for doing that. Adam. Happy birthday, Adam. I just see your message right now. Happy birthday. Great to have you on board. Great to have you on board, and thank you for being part of the great community. Thank you, Adam. Have a lovely day, lovely time. There you go, Adam. Cabrera, H. Cabrera trader. Haha. H. Cabrera trader. He got it. 50k YRM. And I'm telling you guys, from now, every time we're gonna have this tomorrow thing. H. Cabrera. There you go, congratulations. 50k YRM flies out to you. Congratulations for the winners. Whew, it was a great day. It was a great day, especially in the way we've closed it. Right? And that account, which was day number 6 for the YRM, day number 6, this one, very important. We need 1,200 more in 2 days. 600 for the next 2 days, and we're taking the payout. Lovely. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Continuing tomorrow and next week, I'm gonna announce it. We're gonna have 1 year of anniversary of streaming, so we're gonna do massive giveaways. You're not gonna be able to trade that many accounts we're gonna share. You're not gonna be able. You're not gonna have what to do with the amounts of money. Mountains of money will flow to your bank accounts with the payouts you're gonna take from the accounts that will be shared on the giveaway for the anniversary. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time. Scramble coupon code for the maximum discount. Thank you once again. Stay safe.